Beneath the sun's golden caress, three bullocks find solace in a verdant field, their content a beacon of tranquility. Bathed in light, the black bullock, white bullock, and brown bullock share a tender moment. Their unity is evident as they stand shoulder to shoulder, finding shade and sustenance together. In the heart of the sun-drenched field, the bullock's peaceful existence speaks volumes of their unbreakable bond. At the edge of the forest, a powerful lion pauses, its amber eyes burning with hunger as it surveys the grazing bullocks. Frustration claws at the lion as it contemplates the distance between itself and its prey. The lion attempts an advance, only to be met by an impenetrable wall of horns and hooves. The bullocks form a tight circle, shoulder to shoulder, their united front a formidable defense. Defeated, the lion is forced to retreat, its hunger gnawing deeper with each failed attempt. The lion acknowledges the combined strength of its would-be prey, its frustration intensifying in the face of their unity. Beneath the sprawling tree, a majestic lion rests in the cool shade, its brow furrowed in contemplation. A cunning plan begins to form in the lion's mind, a scheme to sow discord. The lion stealthily approaches the black bullock, its voice a low, insidious whisper. Seeds of doubt and lies are planted. The black bullock visibly trembles. The lion watches with satisfaction as the seed of distrust takes root. In the tranquil green field, a somber division unfolds as the bullocks, once inseparable, now graze in isolated solitude, their bond visibly strained. The white and brown bullocks graze, their gazes betraying a deep sense of confusion and sorrow. From the shadows, the lion observes, a sinister satisfaction gleaming in its eyes as it witnesses its plan come to fruition. Their fractured unity casts a pall over the once vibrant field, their diminished strength a stark reminder of what has been lost. In the expansive green field, a lone brown bullock grazes, oblivious to the danger. A lion bursts from the tall grass, launching a swift and ferocious attack. The brown bullock, startled, flees into the dense forest, leaving the white bullock exposed. The white bullock becomes the lion's next target as a fearsome roar echoes. The lion pursues the white bullock with relentless intensity, driving it away. The black bullock stands alone, its eyes wide with terror as the victorious lion advances.